Hey there! Welcome to this introduction to statistics. Today, we'll be covering the basics of what statistics is, the different types of statistics, and their importance in various fields. Let's get started. Statistics is the science of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data. It helps us make informed decisions by providing a framework for understanding data. Statistics is used in almost every field you can think of, from business and medicine to government and social sciences. There are two main types of statistics, descriptive and inferential. Let's take a closer look at each one. Descriptive statistics summarize or describe the main features of a dataset. This includes measures of central tendency like the mean, median, and mode, as well as measures of dispersion like range, variance, and standard deviation. These tools help us understand the basic characteristics of the data we're working with. Inferential statistics, on the other hand, allow us to make inferences about a population based on a sample of data. This includes techniques like hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, and regression analysis. Inferential statistics are essential for making predictions and generalizations beyond the immediate data. Here's a quick comparison between descriptive and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics focus on summarizing data, while inferential statistics are about making predictions or inferences from data. Descriptive statistics use techniques like charts and graphs, whereas inferential statistics use probability and sampling methods. Statistics are crucial for data-driven decision-making. They help identify trends and patterns, make predictions, and provide a solid foundation for making informed decisions. Whether you're analyzing market trends, conducting scientific research, or developing public policies, statistics play a key role. Statistics are used in a wide range of fields. In business, they help with market analysis and quality control. In medicine, they are essential for clinical trials and epidemiology. In government, statistics are used for conducting censuses and shaping policy decisions. The applications are virtually endless. To summarize, we've covered what statistics is, the differences between descriptive and inferential statistics, and their importance and applications. I hope this introduction has sparked your interest in learning more about statistics.